Hi everyone, here's Abdul, and today we have another unboxing. If you're new to this channel, basically I try to review watches only that I had in hand, and that's why I do a lot of unboxing because I try to find the best deals online, and especially now with this Amazon. This one is from Amazon, and you have in Germany this try before you buy. I think you have it everywhere as well, and it gives you the chance to get the watch and try it for 1 week before you pay for it, which I think is a great idea, and it's also a perfect way to try a watch and recommend it or not recommend it for my viewers. So if you're new to this channel again, hopefully you like this video. If you do, please hit the like button and also subscribe. So today's unboxing will be on this Timex. I actually know that I'm not gonna keep this watch, but I bought it because it looked very interesting to me. It looked too big for me to wear, but I thought, why not put it on the Amazon list and see how it looks. It was also a very good price, around 120 thing, around 120 euros. And here we go. As you can see, it's a big boy. You have a compass, compass bezel, and you have very cool looking hands. Wow, and you get this light. You have high tide. You can calculate the tide. It has an intelligent quartz mechanism. I have no idea what it is. Ah, that's the compass. Wow, that's pretty cool. And that's the Indiglo, where you have the light. And here I think it's the compass. Actually looks pretty interesting, to be honest. I don't want to cut it out of the package because it's too big for me. As you can see, I'm wearing this Zin. It's a 38.5 millimeters, and this one is a big boy. That one is around 45. I just wanted to see this functionality because, as you know, I really like my twin sensor. This one. And I thought, and I when I bought this one, I thought also I'd just buy it and then resell it, but it actually now replaced my Casio World Timer and my Mudmaster. So I sold my Mudmaster. The World Timer, I was gonna get one, but after getting this one, I would definitely recommend having this one over the other one, even though the other one looks much better, but this one has more functionality. You have the digital compass, and also you have the temperature gauge. Now in the room is 15.2, like the room cold. so so coming back to the Timex, as we can see, the thickness is 45 millimeters, and lug to lug is even bigger. Lug to lug is 53.5, and even the lugs protrude downwards, so it will look really big on my wrist. Yeah, the whole idea in this watch is that you get a lot of functionality. You get the high tide, you get the compass, you get temperature gauge. So basically what you get from this 50 euros Casio, but in another shape and another way of showing it. You have more analog, while the Casio gives you this information in digital. And to be honest, I really like the Casio digital information more because you separate them with menus, you separate them with option button, and on the other hand, here you have everything on one dial. So as you can see, I try to get as close as possible. So you have here the high tide, you have the temperature, and you have the bezel where you can adjust it like that. And you have also this Indiglo, which I think is pretty cool. But at the end of the day, is it worth 2 times or 3 times the Casio? I don't know. I don't think so, to be honest. Yeah. By the way, this is the reference number of this watch. Warranties guide inside. It came from the Netherlands. Yeah. So, if you have this watch, please leave me in the comment section what you think about it. And yeah, I feel like it's a bit of a big boy, so you need a wrist much bigger than mine to be able to wear this off. And yeah, so thank you everybody for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like, hit the subscribe button, and of course, see you in the next one. Bye bye.